Hello, hello, hello. This is an addition to the previous post where I was telling you that you have to be okay with them not being okay with you. And know and understand that as you rise, as you now know who you are, as you're coming into your own, you'll realize that people who were trying to derail you didn't really have any sort of plans of their own. They just didn't want you to progress. So because they don't have any goals of their own, it's just easier for them to just derail somebody else. It's easier to derail someone who has a focus, who has a dream, who has a plan, who has a vision, than to come up with some sort of dream of their own. Because that way you're on even ground. Yeah, that way you're on even ground. So they derail you because they don't have any vision for themselves. And without a vision, like the scriptures say, like the scrolls say, people perish. So they're just basically floundering. They would rather flounder and have you flounder with them. So realize that they're trying to derail you because they don't have a dream of their own. So it's easier to derail someone with a focus. Keep your focus. Keep your dream alive. Or if you had to revive it, keep on with your revived dream. All right, this is to go with the previous post. This is Sambuka. Until next time, remember to shine your light bright, bright, bright. Bye-bye.